got some products to show you. This is the new tire carrier system for the ProMaster. All aluminum, TIG welded. One thing I can always guarantee you from Rover Vans that this is the quality that you're gonna get. We're not gonna show you one product and then you're gonna get one that's maybe not with the same kind of welding. And we're super proud of our craftsmanship. So what's different on this product is we have a different method of powder coating. It's actually a marine powder coating system that's guaranteed for 10 years not to fade. And the major improvement is this guy in the middle. So we now went to a drill through system, and what you don't see here, there's a bracket that we designed to go inside of the door, and we actually strengthened the ProMaster door with our system. If you have a ProMaster, you can probably feel like how lightweight and kind of like not very well the door is made. This will actually strengthen the system, and the bracket works awesome. It's a cleaner design, and the major thing is you don't have to cut the weather stripping, and you don't have to insert a bracket in between the striker of the door. So that helps with the door alignment, which is also not great on a ProMaster. Kind of solves a lot of problems and looks way better. And then over here is the new Moonbox system. These both are prototypes. So what's gonna be different? The major change that we're going to do, it now has an all aluminum interior, and it's going to make the box a little bit lighter. It's going to make it less expensive to make, and then we're going to try to pass that savings on to our clients. So we're gonna have a little reduction in price. And then these guys here, it's kind of designed to, you know, hold whatever, maybe not a brochure, but you can actually put your phone in here for the night. And then we made the doors a little bit smaller in order for the reach. You don't, if you're, let's say if this is over the bed, so that you don't have to reach that far to get it open. Oh, and then that was actually my suggestion to them. Now you can remove the shelf. So if you've got a helmet or boots or just anything bigger, now it will fit, as opposed to the shelf acted as part of the structure on the old Moonbox, and it was not removable. That was like the #1 feedback we had, and we listened to our clients, and those are the improvements we made. So nice metal black hardware on them too. These pockets are a little bit bigger. The mounting points also are wider, so now depending on what system you have in the van, it's a little bit easier to install. And I guess my favorite, I think, change, we got rid of the angle in the back, so now one Moonbox is going to fit all platforms. And we realized that everyone builds out their van a little bit different, so now you don't have to be concerned with that angle being perfect. And we have one box which will help with stocking. It's gonna have this way we can stock the items and ship them right away, and you don't have to wait. So the bottom is still a prototype, so these smaller panels I don't think are gonna make it into production. This was something we're playing with, but I think we're gonna keep the bottom with just pockets.